is Rimi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to you and to me. I know it has been really long and I'm so sorry about that. But if you're following me on Instagram, you know that I'm getting back into filming and I'm also going Insta Live once a week. I will leave all my social media handles down below. Don't forget to follow me there so you don't miss any updates from my channel. For today, I've created this soft daytime smoky eye look or a date night look if you prefer that. I've used all of Benefit products because you know how much I love Benefit Cosmetics. If you are interested in getting this look right here, then let's jump right into the video. Starting off my makeup, of course, with a primer. This primer actually claims to have a pearly finish, but it just gives me a little white finish, which is fine with me because I apply it only in the center of my face, so that also helps in highlighting. But I go ahead and add some highlight just on the top points of my face before applying any base, just so I can have some glow peeking through from within. Then using one of my favorite products from Benefit, the Boi-Ing concealer. I've raved about this product more than enough and so many of you have even gone ahead and even bought it. I don't use this only for concealing. I actually use it as a full base, as a foundation, and you can clearly see how effortlessly it has covered all my pigmentation with just one layer. I prefer to use this product with a damp sponge as I feel that it gives the true airbrush finish, but if you're comfortable with the brush or your fingers, please go ahead and use that. Next up, I'm going to be using Hoola bronzer just to warm up my face and give me slight contour, not too much because this is a soft daytime smoky look, so I'm not going to go all out with my bronzer. And then just warming up my forehead using one of my favorite brushes by Makeup by Analia. It is customized on my name, so how cool is that? Then using the brush that comes with Hoola just to pinch my nose and make it look smaller. For my blush, I'm using the very raved about GALifornia. It's a very beautiful corally pink color. It isn't as crazy pigmented, so I did have to layer it up a bit. So for someone who doesn't like too much blush, this is one recommended for you. Then using the Sun Beam just to highlight the high points of my face, the usual, my cheekbones, then my chin, my cupid's bow and my nose. Just using my finger to spread the product, and anywhere I find having harsh lines, I just use a clean finger just to erase that point. How beautiful and subtle is this glow? I know this is not my usual type of highlight, but I was just loving how it was looking on my skin. Next up for my eyes, I'm using this BADgal liner. I'm just randomly drawing strokes anywhere I want, keeping it in the lid of course, but I'm not keeping care of how neat it's looking because I will smudge that out later, and I know you guys are probably sick of me repeating the same thing again and again. Don't worry about it when you're doing a smoky eye because there is going to be a shadow that comes on top of it, so all your messiness under that will be hidden. I'm just using the other side of the pencil, the smudging side, and evenizing the sharp edges of the liner before going ahead back to my Hoola and using that as a transition color. Whenever there's one product, you don't have to necessarily use that specifically for that part. You can mix it up. I use my bronzer as my eyeshadows as my blush, and so on. And then I'm using this brown shade, which is my brow powder, just to set my liner and create that soft smoky eye. If you want to go darker, you can go ahead and use black. That's going to have a more stronger effect. And then using a pencil brush and using the same brown powder just to smoke out my lower lash line to give a soft blown out effect, but not too strong. Next up is the main part of this video, for me at least, because I went all out with my brows today. Using this brow conditioning primer just to comb my hair in one direction. This is really moist, so it really helps in making your hair stick and not budge throughout the day. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this Gimme Brow Plus and just comb my hair with this tinted brow mascara. I have a very weird way of doing my brows these days. I use the wet products first, then dry, and you will see how much difference it makes, because it makes my life so much easier. As you can see, there's already so much color given to the brows. At least just look at the comparison. Your work becomes so much easier after that, because all I do after this is pat the product onto it, and because it's wet, it immediately clings and sticks and absorbs the product. Can you guys see how much easier it is? All I have to do is tap and the color just automatically gets absorbed in any area that doesn't have color. That's all. You guys really need to try this and let me know what you guys think and if this style works for you. Then just using the wax side of the browsing to carve out my brows, because I honestly haven't done my brows in 3 months. I've been trying to grow it out, and honestly guys, I'm failing at that big time. I've ordered a few spoolies from Amazon, so hopefully that reaches me fast so I can start doing my DIYs to grow them out. And then cleaning up my brow using this high brow just to clean up any area that has messed up or spread to my lids. And it's done! Anyways, moving on to the mascara. Today I'm using this BADgal mascara. There's been so many mixed reviews about this. Some are hating it and some are loving it. I will agree it isn't the easiest to use, but once you get the hang of it, the effect is so good. Lastly, moving to the lips, I actually have a lip tint from Benefit, but I searched everywhere and I couldn't find it, so I had to improvise and decided to use my highlighter as my lipstick, but it reached a point where I was finding it a bit dull. So decided to add some blush on it while it was still moist and wet. So it stuck on really well, and it was a matte lipstick, and I actually liked how it turned out. But I would love to know what you guys think, so please don't forget to leave it in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!